In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dispersion text effect in Canva 5 minutes. Open Canva, sign in, and start with a new design at the size you need. A square canvas works great for social posts, but any dimensions are fine. With your blank page ready, head to the Elements panel. In the search bar, type Dispersion and press Enter. Switch to the Graphics tab so you're only browsing visuals, then pick a dispersion style letter that matches the look you want. Place the letter on your canvas, scale it up so it's clearly visible, and position it where you want the effect to sit. If you're building a word, duplicate the letter and swap it for other dispersion letters until you have everything laid out. You can use the duplicate button or the keyboard shortcut to speed this up. Take a moment to tweak spacing, alignment, and the direction of any dispersion so it feels balanced. Now it's time to export the first version. Click Share, choose Download, select PNG, and check Transparent Background so you can layer this later. Download that file. Back on the canvas, select the dispersion letter and reduce its transparency all the way to 0. This gives you a version without the letter visible, which we'll use as part of the cutout process. Click Share again, choose Download, pick PNG, and download the second file. Transparent background may require a pro account. If you see that option locked, you can still follow along using a solid background and adjust the final look accordingly. Clear your page so you're working on a clean canvas, then upload both PNGs to your Uploads panel. Next, open Apps and find Image Cutout Maker. Choose Image, select the dispersion letter image you just uploaded, and click Use Selected Image. Resize that image to fill the page so the effect covers your entire design area, and then add it to the design. Add a background of your choice. This could be a color, gradient, or a photo, and send it to the back layer so the dispersion sits above it. Finally, bring in your uploaded dispersion graphic if it isn't already on the canvas, and adjust placement, scale, and rotation so the dispersed particles flow naturally into the background. Nudge elements until the transition looks seamless. That's it. You've created a clean dispersion text effect in Canva using built-in graphics, a transparent export, and the image cutout maker. When you're happy, export your final design as a PNG to keep the background crisp, or as a JPG if you prefer a smaller file size.